place an order, first go to the menu bar at the top of the website and click on My Account. You will see two options, login and register. If you're a new user, click on register first. On the registration page, enter your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Then create a password, preferably something medium to strong for better security. Once you've filled out the details, click on the blue register button. Now use the same email and password to log in. After logging in, you'll be taken to your My Account page where you can view your orders, account details, wish list, and more. To place an order, go to the products section or simply use the search bar at the top and type the name of the product you're looking for. Once you've found your product, select it. In the quantity section, enter the number of items you wish to purchase. Then click on Add to Cart. Now click the blue View Cart button on the left. Next, go to Checkout. On the checkout page, enter your billing details. Fields marked with a small red dot are mandatory. Make sure your city and PIN code are accurate. Once all details are filled, click on the Place Order button on the right. Now you'll be directed to the payment page where you can choose from net banking, cards, or UPI to complete the payment. After a successful payment, you'll be taken to a confirmation page where your invoice will be displayed. You can choose to print or download it for future reference. You can also go to My Account Orders to view or download your invoice anytime. And that's how you can easily place your order on our website.